Currently on the screen is another look at the satellite view of the Australia's eastern, including the Southwest Pacific region. This is a look at the GFS model in millibars and wind speed in knots. This is across the next 380 hours. Welcome to another update via the Force 13's Australia Oceania channel for Saturday the 15th of July. We're halfway through the year. A look at a couple of models and their tracks on a low pressure system to the south of Australia. Intensity scale is sea surface temperature is right hand side of the screen, along with the intensity at the bottom of the screen. GFS precipitation. Another look at a GFS model. This is one of 5 individual members that make up this particular model run. Our position is when viewing weather-related material, please apply caution as the picture doesn't change. We also advise that official sources be monitored. Look at the total precipitable water for Australia and the Fiji region, taking in New Zealand also. Meteorology has a strong wind warning down there in the New South Wales state for Sunday for the Eden Coast. One in Victoria, gale warning for the west coast, strong wind warning for Port Phillip, Central and East Gippsland coast. That's for Sunday. For Tasmania, strong wind warning will be in place for the far northwest, lower east, southwest, central west coast, and a small craft alert for the southwest lakes. And for the state of South Australia, we made it for today. Strong wind warning, central coast, south central. The latest tropical cyclone formation probability guide. Now we have a look at the wind feature 1 or 2 models. This is out to at least Wednesday of next week. We have a wider look at what's possible. Now let's look at the North Indian Ocean region taking in the Bay of Bengal. Actually, I think that's the South China Sea. I think that region to the right is the Philippines. But there is a possible system to form in the Bay of Bengal. If you consider the tropical cyclone formation guide. Satellite view of the western region. Upper level divergence for the western region. And again the southwest corner of WA. Latest wind shear. "24-hour shear tendency." A 50 millibar vorticity. Now we look at the latest 12-hourly rainfall via the Bureau of Meteorology across the forecast period. look at the 24-hour rainfall total across the next 8 days. They're in 2 4-day blocks, and the third block is 1 through 8. The music is part of the Force 13's musical collection, and it's available on the main channel. Now this is the latest from the Bureau of Meteorology over there in Perth. A gale warning for the remainder of today for the Leeuwin and Albany coast. A strong wind warning is also in place. Similar warning for Sunday, but a expanded gale warning. Now we look at the upper level divergence for the Eastern Australia region. Wind shear, and look at that area in red, very strong wind shear. The deep layer wind shear. A 50 millibar vorticity, and whilst it remains very quiet here in the southern hemisphere, we have a hurricane Fernanda over there in the East Pac, and a little bit of imagery on the system. Beautiful eye, and you can clearly see on the screen it did reach Cat 5 status.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.co.uk, at your service at any time. You can also find us on YouTube, the channel, search Force 13, all in text, and subscribe if you haven't already. You can also find us on Facebook at Force 13, and it's at Force 13 on Twitter, that's the handle to contact us there. You can also add Fool13 on Skype, that's FOOL13, and add extension 9094 on Discord for tropical weather chat.